Hello friends, myself Arnab Kundu. You are watching my channel Technical Arcoin. Today I am going to show how Gamma application can take your presentation at next level. Actually, Gamma application is AI powered through which we can create presentation, documents and different type of web pages. So go to the computer screen. Through web browser, I will show you how to create presentation very short time using Gamma application. So let's dive in. So at first we should know what is AI powered application, which is known as Gamma, right? Gamma is an AI powered application designed to streamline the creation of presentations, documents and web pages, right? Founded in the year 2020 by John Narona and Sil Monot. Gamma aims to empower individuals and organizations to produce polished, interactive content with minimal effort, right? Gamma utilizes advanced AI technologies to assist users in generating sophisticated content rapidly without the need for design or coding expertise, right? Gamma is a digital application designed to create dynamic, engaging and interactive presentations or content, right? It's aimed at professionals, educators and teams seeking an alternative to traditional tools like PowerPoint or Google Slides. Okay, there are two plans are there. The starting plan is starter plan, which is free access with 400 AI credits, basic analytics and 7-day change history. 400 AI credit means near about, for single presentation we can afford near about 10 to 15 credits, okay, and for generating of that particular we need another 5, so near about 25 credits we can use for a single presentation is concerned, right? And if you go for upgradation, means go for pro plan, a paid subscriptions offering unlimited AI credits, advanced analytics, enhanced theme customization, unlimited change history and the option to remove the made with Gamma badge, means this is some watermark should be given when we are using the starter plan, right? So go to the computer screen. I will provide how to prepare presentation very short time using AI powered application like Gamma, right? So at first we search here, just write Gamma, right? And the first search options is given Gamma presentation and slide decks with AI. We just click on that. So I have already logged in within this Gamma particular application is concerned using my account Technical Arcoin is concerned. Okay, so in that case we go at first create new, just click on that, and from there there's a 3 option is there: paste in text, generate a popular presentation is concerned, and another is import file or URL. So we go for the middle one, so generate, just click on there. And now we at first define what topic we need to present, or the topic should be given for the presentation is concerned. Suppose we write here the topic is cyber security. Okay, so my topic is cyber security. On that, what different type of presentation they will generate, just see, and very short time, and that is given in generate what would you like to create today. So we create the presentation, so that's why I select this one, and there is 8 cards there, or 9 cards or 10 cards is given. So suppose we go for 10 cards, means 10 slides it will create automatically. Okay, and the language is already selected, English. Okay, now just click on generate outline. So when we click that, so outline will be generated. It will take some time. So on that basis, it will generate this type of lots of outline already defined here. We can modify on there, so we don't modify here because whatever the given into there, we just stay there. Okay, so this underline is given. So suppose we put the defense spelling is like that. Okay, now we just go after that generate. So 10 cards total. So 10 slides should be there. Now we create the presentation. Just click on generate. Okay, now it takes some times and it will create different type of slides according to the outline is concerned. So it generate separate, just see in the leftmost side, create separate slides, whatever the outline they already given to there. Okay, and already some theme I have already chosen, that's why this particular theme they are given to there. We can choose different theme also. Okay, so this is the smart layout is given, some basic blocks is given, some images we can put into there, means we can edit according to whatever they are given into there. Okay, and now when the all 10 slides for my search is concerned already created here, now what we do, just go for share, and there is a given the export option. Just go into that part and what type of file you want to see. So we go for export to PowerPoint. Okay, so just click into there and just see it will create the PPTX file which can be produced using this Microsoft Office presentation file. Okay, so it already created. So just go to that folder, and if we just click on that and if we enable that and just see the automatically they created this different type of slides according to is given into there, whatever the outline they already decided to there. So cyber security, protecting our digital world, give some statement to there. Second slide is there. And just see in the rightmost part, made with Gamma, this watermark should be there. Why? Because we are using the free version. If we use the pro version, this particular watermark is not given to there. Okay, so if we just go for the slideshow, just press F5. So this is the first slide. So by Arnab Kundu, so we can change it or we can remove it. But if we don't need to remove, so we can stay into there. The second slide is like that, understanding cyber threats, malware, phishing, hacking. Third slide is password security. Already this contain already given from this Gamma AI powered application, right? So very short time we can create with images, means include the images here using this Gamma AI based application or AI powered application. Okay, so in that way the 10 different slides they already create. But what happened, I already told we are using the starter version, so that's why this watermark is given, made with Gamma is given. If you go for the paid version or pro version, this watermark is no more there. Okay, so if we like this, you can buy or you can use for the pro version is concerned. I hope you have understood today's video how to create presentation using AI powered application like Gamma and very short time, right? If you like this video, please like it, share it more and more. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical Arnab for more videos. So today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.